Oh Lord, hear me turn these words into a song for them to sing along to when I'm gone. For them to sing along to when I'm gone. Oh Lord, let me be the one to set him free. I will give him every part of me. Put my heart where everyone can see. They can call me whatever they want, call me crazy. You can call me whatever you want, but that won't change me. I just don't care what the world says, I'm gonna make it. They can call me whatever they want, so what if I am crazy, crazy? Crazy, crazy, oh Lord, this is so much harder than I thought, but I will give him everything I've got. One day I am gonna prove them wrong. Oh Lord, let me be the one to set them free. I will give them every part of me. Put my heart where everyone can see. They can call me whatever they want, call me crazy. You can call me whatever you want, but that won't change me. I just don't care what the world says, I'm gonna make it. They can call me whatever they want, so what if I am crazy, crazy?
Dodging daggers at almost reach, making mistakes they can never teach. But these silver clouds won't dissolve to black. Let's lose our feet to a leap of faith, and bigger skies are lying wait. It's a long way down, but I got your back. We're out on the unravel life till there's nothing left. It's a long way down, but I got you now. We're right on the edge of it all. Are you ready to free fall? Ready to free fall? We're right on the free fall, ready to free fall. full of an open thread. Unravel life till there's nothing left. It's a long way down, but I got you now.
Very nice.
We're right on the edge of it all.
How was that?
Are you ready to free fall? Ready to free fall? We're right on the edge of it all. Are you ready to free fall? 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 Ready to free fall?
は五家農場滔々点点日常ご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。